Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world. Okay guys, today again this morning I'm going to share with you my own bed sleep so that we can all try to spend a very good day by winning our bed sleep in a very easy way. Okay, the bed sleep that I'm going to share with you are very safe. I really believe on them and I've done a very special investigation on them before giving you in this channel. Okay, so guys, if only you are new here and you don't want to miss any of my new best sleep and all the tricks that I used to share on this channel, the best thing you can do is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks that I used to share here. Okay, and also guys, if only you like the format of this video, okay, if you like what I'm doing here, the only way for you to tell me you like my work, okay, is to give me a like. Okay, give me a like. Okay guys, and those of you who really wanted to secure your account, guys, okay, the best way you can secure your account is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys, and this promo code will secure your account, guys. Okay, whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue, guys. Okay, and this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, it's the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of times. Okay, let's go and find select our matches. Okay, so first, okay, let's come this side. Let me select, okay, from 8 to 10. Okay, let's come to England Premier League. Arsenal is going to play today against Chelsea. Okay, and this match, we know that this is going to be a very hot match. Okay, so Arsenal do their best to score very early. Okay, so let's select first half, and we are not going to worry ourselves. Okay, we just select total here, the total option. Okay, and we select over 0.5. Okay, by selecting this option, we are just saying that there will be at least one goal in the first half. Okay, as you can see, we don't want to worry ourselves. Okay, so let's select this option and let's come out. Okay, so let's come out and let's find another match. Let's come to the championship. Okay, then we have Leicester against Southampton. Okay, so let's select again total here and let's select over 2.5 goal. Okay, over 2.5. Okay, over 2.5 goals. Okay, and as you can see, guys, we have let's go and find another our last match. Okay, let's come to League One. Let's select this match and let's select the corners and let's select this option, the last option of the corners, of the total. Okay, under 13.5. okay guys, and as you can see, guys, okay, here we have a total odd of 2. Okay, a total odd of 2 here. Okay, and this is enough for us to win our first bet slip. Okay, let me save this first code for you guys. Okay, okay, this is the code of the bet slip, guys. Okay, so you can just take the code and try this bet. Okay, let me add some few matches. Okay, let's find another bet. Okay, let's select another match. Okay, let's go Belgium. Okay, and then we select this match let's go to corners section. Okay, let's select the corners section and we select over 10.5 corners in this match. Okay, sorry. So let's select the over 10.5 corners. Okay, then let's come out. Let's go back to Arsenal against Chelsea. Here we select also total. Okay, total, we are not going to worry ourselves, just 2 goals in this match and we are done. Okay, okay, we added some 2 matches. Let's delete these matches. Okay, these first matches. Okay, hey guys, here too we have 2 matches. Okay, and we have a total odd of 215. Okay, and this is also a very good bet slip. Here you can also take this bet and try and win your bet in a very easy way. Okay, let me save the code for you guys. Okay, let me save the code, the bet. Okay, so this is the code of the bet slip. Okay, so guys, let's all try place some few amount of money on it and see the result evening time. Okay guys, and guys, always remember to bet an amount of money that you are ready to lose. It is very important, guys. Okay, so guys, this all I'm going to share with you. Okay, see you evening time for the result. Okay, take care of yourself and have a nice day. Ciao.